hit Chinese movie series Pegasus, a race car emblazoned with Xindi Machine, the name of a little-known factory, surges past renowned teams to claim a decisive victory. Recently, this dramatic underdog success tale came to life at the Portuguese round of the Superbike World Championship, where a French rider claimed dual race wins aboard a Chinese indigenous motorcycle, ZXMOTO. The story behind ZXMOTO is even more compelling than the movie. Zhang Xue, founder of ZXMOTO, has been immersed in motorcycles since his teens. After dropping out of school, he started as an apprentice mechanic, cleaning parts, gradually became a motocross racer, and then a technician who mastered the whole manufacturing process and craftsmanship behind motorcycles. He later co-founded his own business before finally launching his own brand, ZXMOTO, naming it after himself. By the time ZXMOTO shone at the Algrave International Circuit, Zhang Xue himself had already devoted over 2 decades of his life to building the fastest motorcycle.
他也发了那个就是功课嘛，功课他说，终于拨开乌云见明月了。我想得很认真，我回来一句，我说其实我已经做好了我见不到明月的准备，然后我即使见不到明月，我也是会一如既往的这么做。
Resilience and daring entrepreneurship supported Zhang Xue through the long trudge to glory. That said, it would not have been possible without China's complete motorcycle industrial supply chain ecosystem. Zhang Xue chose Chongqing as his base precisely because it's China's motorcycle capital, boasting a localization rate for motorcycle components of over 90%. Within a 50-kilometer radius, one can source everything from frames and core components for engines down to a single screw. With a technical drawing for a custom component, prototyping can be finished without even leaving the industrial park. The championship-winning ZXMOTO motorcycle features fully indigenous R&D in its 3 core components: engine, frame, and its electronic control system. High-precision manufacturers from across China have joined hands in forming a top-tier supply chain. High-precision crankshafts from Shandong and Jiangsu achieve even tighter component tolerances than international standards. Cutting-edge titanium alloy materials from Guangdong make the engine valves more heat-resistant while cutting weight by half. Back in the early 2000s, when China's Zhongshun motorcycle racing team shocked the world with the country's first world championship title in motorcycle racing, the bikes were still made of global parts assembled on a Chinese chassis. Now ZXMOTO is no longer a patchwork of foreign components. Instead, it represents China's high-end motorcycle sector, which is quietly reshaping the global industry landscape. Motorbikes are just one glimpse into a bigger picture. From new energy vehicles powered by cutting-edge technologies to high-end smartphones and reliable high-performance drones, numerous products bear witness to made-in-China's successful breakthroughs in one sector after another. Behind them lie the relentless drive and resilience of countless people like Zhang Xue, who have poured decades into perfecting their craft. What's more, the rising independent innovation capabilities of Chinese enterprises, paired with continuously upgraded industrial supply chains, are further elevating the caliber of made-in-China products while redefining what these 3 words mean to the world. Thank you for watching. I'm Fu Yi in Beijing.